Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to make iPhone speak when plugged into charge. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now if you cannot find the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, just open the App Store, then in the search bar, just search Shortcuts. And from here, just make sure you install this app on your iPhone. And once you install this app, then tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on Automation. Then tap on New Automation. On this list, just select Charger. And from here, just make sure you select Is Connected. And also select Run Immediately. After that, just tap on Next. And tap on Create New Shortcut. Now, in the search bar, just search Speak Text. And from here, just tap on Text. Now, just enter any text which you want your iPhone to speak when plugged into charge. For an example, I will type Charging Now. Now once you enter your text, just tap on Done. Now once you plug your iPhone into charge, it will say Charging Now. Just like that. And this is how you can make your iPhone speak when it is plugged into charge. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.